Holy shit. It is f***ing cold today, boys. Usually never film any car content, stuff like that, but today we're going to get more ambient lighting for my whip. We are driving an hour and about a half to get there. It was also very, very cold. But we're driving an hour and a half to Denver to get there. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do ambient lighting on the door, all panels, the floor, the footwells, and I think I'm gonna get a strip going from here down, but I'm not too sure yet. The guy's doing it, their name is Boa. I'm pretty sure it's Boa Auto Sound. I'll probably put something on screen or in the description or something like that. But yeah, I figured I'd do like a little mini vlog. I just woke up like 20 minutes ago, showered, and we're ready to hit the road. Like I said, I know you guys usually don't get these types of vlogs out of me, but today I figured, fuck it, you know, why not make more car content? And then today I am a YouTuber. Probably insert a little montage. Like I said, I got an hour and 40 minutes of driving to get there. So I will see you guys on the road. And yeah, hopefully I don't fucking croak on the way there. I'll see you guys there, man. All right, first stop, boys. We are at the gas station over here in Colorado Springs. So we gotta go get gas, obviously. I'm fucking pretty low. We still got about an hour and 19 left on the drive. So yeah, let's go get some gas and get an energy drink. Hawaiian fruit punch, let's see for it. Cannot wait for this interior for you guys to see this, bro. The interior already looks nice as is, but those ambient lights I feel like are gonna add a pretty cool vibe to it. And the fuck? Oh my fucking god, it's cold, bro. And according to my phone, if I pull it out right, Shaw, we still have an hour and 19 minutes before we gotta get there. Oh my god, how could I forget? We gotta crack this bitch open. Oh. Yasirski, the best, bro. Z4 Hawaiian Punch. Guess the bitch is going. All right, boys. We made it. After 2 hours of driving, as you can see, Boa Auto. All right, I'm in the waiting room. They took my whip. They're gonna go do it. I think I'm getting all the lights strip and then the footwell and the door handles and stuff. And look, there's a little cat. Whoa, shit. How are you? Oh, bro, this is the best thing ever, dog. I love cats. Oh my god, hi. This is the best service ever, already, hands down. Hands down. Oh my god, this is adorable. Hopefully, next time I pick up the camera, the lights and everything's gonna be done. It'll be like 4 or 5 hours, they said. And yeah, we finna see, man. I'm gonna catch you guys later. Oh, dog, that shit looks hard as fuck. Bro, that shit looks so good with the seats, bro.
Yeah. I made the door handle and the storage pockets red. I made the strips white and then blue. You know?
Yeah, that shit's hard as fuck. Yo, this shit's fucking hard, bro. Thank you so much, yo. This shit's fucking hard as fuck, yo. Oh shit. Oh yeah, bro, this adds so much cool shit to it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. I fuck with how I ended up curving right, bro. That shit's hard, bro. Sorry for the fucking, bro, it's so fucking messy back there, dog.
It's all good.
I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. Sir. Yeah. Bro, the music mode is fucking tight. I'm not gonna lie. And the back ones look sick as fuck.
Yeah.
Alright. I know y'all didn't really get to see the lights, because, you know, obviously it's daytime outside right now. But as soon as I get home, I got a fucking 2-hour drive home. Hopefully it'll be dark by then, you guys can see it, but like, man, look at, bro. And already the doors look so much fucking nicer, and I really like how the back turned out. But yeah, look, there's the, again, Denver skyline, city view, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Pretty nice, man. We're gonna pass the Broncos Stadium here in a second. I'll probably show you guys that as well. But bro, super happy with how it came out, and I can't wait to see this at night, man. It's gonna be a whole different vibe. It's gonna be fire, and I can't wait to show y'all. So yeah, hopefully, again, I'm gonna say the bullshit. I'm gonna say it goddamn again. Next time y'all see it, it's gonna be nighttime. Look at that city, man. Look at that over there. It's fire. Of course, the car fucking blocks it, but look at that. Fire. Okay. See y'all in a bit again. I'm not really good at this whole transaction shit, man. I might just fucking cut it mid-sentence. Alright. I need to take a fucking piss. And I came to this gas station. Bro, someone's in there taking either a shit or something. but I have not been able to piss. I need to piss so goddamn bad, and I have yet to do it. Now I need to go find another gas station, hold my piss in, and try to figure this out. So we have yet to be back. I know I said the next clip's gonna be in the dark, but you know what? Who knows? Who knows what the next clip's gonna be, man? I'm out here trying not to fucking piss myself. And it's, I don't know why I'm talking to the camera. I gotta pee so bad. All right, I'm gonna go find a bathroom to take a leak. I won't see you guys there. Maybe, I don't know. Who knows? Piss POV? We'll see. Pissed. Now I'm going home. Oh, I had the longest fucking piss of my life. Longest piss of my life. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock now where we're at. I would turn the camera around and show me, but you literally, you definitely cannot see me, barely. But we're in the whip and it looks fucking insane, dude. It looks so good. I also apparently found out on the app, you go to this app right here, there's modes, and it like cuts it like that, which is also, it's also pretty sick. There's like dancing bar, and I guess I could like make my own if I wanted to. One thing I also like, if I go into the music mode, one thing I really like is back there, it goes like forward, if that makes sense. So it looks like it's almost connecting with the seat. Like, let me see if I get an angle. It almost looks like it's connecting with the seat, which is fucking sick. It's so fucking sick. Obviously, this is the ambient lighting that came stock with the car. So that's gonna stay like that. But I mean, if I have it red, bro, I could just turn it all red and it looks like it kind of goes across. Obviously, these ones are a little bit brighter. That is at full brightness, I'm pretty sure. But regardless, man, it just looks, it looks fucking sick. Shout out fucking the Boa. I'm gonna call them the Boa boys, man. Shout out the Boa boys for this, bro, because this is fire. And like the little footwells. I do have the lights in the handle right here, and obviously the footwells down there, and I'm pretty sure in the back seat as well, they're also there. But I mean, apart from that, dude, it's fucking, it's nice, it's sick. I fuck with it. I'm pretty sure at this point in the video, you guys have probably seen the lights quite a fucking bit. Also, if you follow my TikTok, which is at @RockRodriguez_LEE, or L-E-L, not L-E-E, L-E-L Rodriguez, Rodriguez LEL, bro. I can't fucking speak. You guys have probably already saw it, but this is the nighttime drive. I low-key have it on red, but I'm gonna be honest, I think my favorite, that's crackhead, I think my favorite lights to have it on, if I'm being biased, not this blue looks nice, but where is it? That's music mode. This blue. I'm gonna be honest, this blue looks fucking gorgeous. I don't know if it does for you guys too, but this blue looks amazing. I love this blue. Hopefully the low light, I mean, it's probably, you know, really low, whatever for you guys, but this blue on the fucking car looks, oh my god, so good. Neon alleyway thing, pretty cool. Cool to take photos there. I just really want to shout out Boa and Otto. I want to say Boa boys, that's not really their name, that's just what I call them for doing this, man. It turned out way better than I fucking expected. And the mode has, the lights, I should say, have way more modes than I expected as well. I thought it was just colors, but if you go into the app, there's a lot more you could do with these lights. And yeah, it's fire. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was definitely a not usual video that I do. It's definitely one of those ones where I had to kind of put myself out there and record. Holy fucking bumps. But this was cool. This was a cool addition to the car. I told you guys if I was modding my car, doing anything to the car, I would record it. And I feel like this is one of those things where I did. Obviously, I didn't film the process because I didn't know if the guys were gonna do that for their TikTok, and I didn't kind of want to be all up in their shit while they're working on the car. But I mean, man, fucking regardless, so this looks fucking great. I know this right here is purple. This is the stock ambient lighting that comes with the car, and you could just tell the difference, man. I mean, looking right here, you could just tell that their ambient lighting is way brighter. Obviously with the music, just like I show you guys the music mode.
It's just a rental. I'm not without a sentimental.
And I really like how the back does it. The back is sick. You can tell, obviously it's not perfect. I don't think any lights are gonna be perfectly synced with the music, but this one is. This one's fire. So yeah, and the hills, fucking up all the happy houses.
I told her ride it like a rental. It's just a rental. I'm not with all the sentimentals.
But apart from that, yeah, obviously you can tell music mode, it's nice. And we could have it all red, which also I fuck with, but like I said, also green's nice. I think I like the bright colors, and I love this blue. I'm gonna be honest, I think the blue looks so good. I could turn it back to normal mode and this turns red, which kind of fits the vibe, because this is if I turn on this all the way up, I have this dimmed. This is kind of like a bluish hue tint, kind of, if that makes sense. And the right side is all blue, man. So I mean, regardless, it's all fucking sick, dude. I think the guys did an amazing job. If you guys want to hit them up, they're in Denver. or just look up Boa Boys on TikTok. Or not Boa Boys, sorry, fuck. I keep saying that. It's BOA Auto. Boa Auto, not fucking Boa Boys. I don't know why the fuck I keep saying Boa Boys. It's Boa Auto. Yeah, man, apart from that, it's been your boy Roke. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, morning, evening, wherever you are in the world watching this. I do appreciate everyone that tuned in to the whole video and stayed and watched. You know, I appreciate you guys. This one's for you. Hold up. If you guys want to see actually more stuff done to the car, also let me know. Let me know what I should do to it. I think with my taxes, I'm gonna get the Starlight roof. Because why the fuck not, man? One thing about me, I feel like a lot of people are gonna tell me that like I'm doing too much to the interior, and it's like I get it, but I'm in the car. I'm always gonna be in the car. You know what I mean? Although the exterior, yeah, it's nice. For me personally, I want to do the interior because, bro, I'm always in this bitch. I'm always gonna be the one driving, no matter what. You know what I mean? So it's like I want the interior to feel nice, look nice, and whatnot. And I really liked how the AMG's interiors were. Like they have so much fucking ambient lighting. Obviously, this is nowhere near an AMG, but it's my car, and now we have the lighting, and I'm fucking super happy with it. And next thing is Starlight roof, and I'm thinking of getting a steering wheel, man. I want the steering wheel with the flat top. I fucking love the flat top on a steering wheel. I don't know why, but it's just something about it just rubs my fucking, you know what? It just rubs it the right way, you know? But yeah, apart from that, it's been your boy Roke. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day, morning, evening. I already said that shit. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Also be streaming a lot, so make sure you go watch my streams and stuff. I don't know what else to plug. I'm just gonna listen to Juice right now. So, bye.